Baby girls and pretty girls. So for today's my vlog is I gonna do I gonna open my box. This is not mystery box on Lazada or P-Shop or anyone deliver the mystery box. So this is my box. Dito ko lang siya nilagay because makalat na dito. Charot. So let's gonna open this box. Yeah. So I'm gonna open. This nice scotch tape. I can open. Gosh. Oh, mahulog na naman. Uy. Look, guys. Oh my. Okay, open it. Wow. Can I do simple things?
Hindi nakikita mo.
Boo!
Ito lang sounds.
Yan. Pakita ko papakita ko na sa inyo yung mga nakalagay dito. So, get it started. Ba't may candy dito?
Ate mo lang biyo, ate.
XO. Oh. So, first is this wallet. This is card. Basta card. Oh, basta money. And the fashion jewelry has wait guys. Can I hear? So fashion jewelry. So yeah, has earrings, has a bracelet, and has a necklace. Second one is bag, cute bag. Yeah, cute bag. I don't know. This is sling bag. I don't know. This is sling bag. I don't know. Revlon new shade. I don't know. lip gloss.
That's a lip.
Revlon. And a fifth one is Kit of lip gloss. Yep. Yo. Hi. It's me. Yeah. And then the sixth one is makeup brush. Makeup brush, guys. And makeup things. Has a powder, blush, and whatever. I will open. Okay. So I will open this. I will open this blush Chicky Peek Boom. Look, this is Hello Kitty. Whoa, it's so cool, like a lipstick, like a big lipstick. Pero this is not a lipstick. This is brushy. And has a takip. Ano ba yung takip? Sa English, I don't know. So, yan lang yung vlog ko yan. So, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And 3, 2, 1.